Hi everyone, today's tutorial covers a very useful Excel skill, that is joining text from multiple cells into one. We will go through three most useful methods, that is ampersand operator, the concat function and the text join function. These are mostly used by data analysts whenever they are working in a spreadsheet. And let me tell you, by the end of the video, you will know exactly how and when to use each of these functions in your spreadsheet. So this is the sample data that you can see. We have first name, last name, city. So we will work on this three columns only, and we will start adding more columns here for each and every function, so that it is easy for you to understand and also to compare, like what is it all about related to concat function, text join, and percent, each and everything. So first we will understand what is n percent operator. It is very simple and flexible text joining method. So n percent, how it is written, and I will write the syntax here so that we can just look into the syntax and copy our same formula here, so that you would be able to take care of the theory part as well as the practical part. So let's do this properly. Yeah, syntax. Here I will write the equal sign. Oops. Equal sign will be written here this side, and we will understand what is ampersand, right? So it is simple and, that's what we call and, that's it. And what is the syntax? You have to write the cell number, then and, then if you want to give a space between the two cells, means if you want to join the two cells and give a space between them, just give this quote, one space, one more quote, then and, then the second cell number, second cell number, that's it. It's too easy, let me tell you. And if you go to the theory part, it's work like glue and text for the cells, means this and, this act like a glue for text. Let me tell you how we will do the practical part, but first let's go for the theory. And it joins together the context from different cell or string directly, right? And it is also very flexible to use because it does not require a function, just simple formula construction. Like you have seen, I haven't used any function, just I am using this cell number, first cell number, second cell number, and this, and I am using n percent. That's it, nothing else. And this is the syntax. If you want to know about the syntax, I will be giving you in 2-3 lines. So this syntax or the formula takes the first name, that is first cell number, and we will add a space here. So for adding a space, we will give two quote sign and a space between them, which must be in quotes. Let me tell you why quote sign, because Excel treat it as text. And then add the last name, that is last cell number. Click enter, you will get the output. So how to do it? Let's write this ampersand, right? And this is the spelling of it, and this is the I would say, let's give it in a, yeah, right, this is good. Now let's do it properly. So as I've told you, let's copy the syntax. Equal to first cell number, we will add, what we do, we will add the first name and last name. So first cell number I have given, and I have given, then a quote sign, a space, and one more quote sign. Why? Because I want space between Ravi and Kumar, right? Then and I will give, like in the syntax, and the second cell number. That's it, easy. And let me show you one thing. What if we don't use the space between them? Let's write equal to A5 and no space between them. We will won't be adding any space, and then we will adding the next cell. See, it will come like that, Aisha Sharma, like that, means without space. So what's the solution for this? you have to give a quote sign, a space, one more quote sign, then attach it with the next cell. That's it. Simple. And if you do this, yeah, same for this as well. So it's very easy to use, and let me tell you, no formula needed. So it is like, I would say, very much basic kind of thing, but it is much more useful when you will be working in a data set. Let me tell you, you have to join lots of things, like you have to join kind of domain name for the new employee. Suppose some new employee get joined, you have to write a domain name for them. So you have a domain name in a cell name, in a, I mean, in a different column. Just use the and percent, it will work. And also one more thing, suppose you want the full data of the means the name and the city, use of and percent will also work here. Like, what I want, I want Ravi Kumar comma Mumbai. How we will do it? And Ravi Kumar would be having a space also. How we will do it? We will write this and quote sign space, one more quote sign, and this Ravi Kumar, as I've told you. I got it full. Right now, as I told you, I need a comma between Ravi Kumar and Mumbai. So I will put a and quote sign, one comma and quote sign, then and then the cell of the city. Click. See what we have got? Ravi Kumar, Mumbai. Correct? That's the thing, and that's what it is all about. And if you want space between this comma and Mumbai, just give a space here. It will work. See, comma and Mumbai, there is a space. So that's the thing. So what it does, like and percent, like I would say, if you want to write notes, you can write that as well. And percent puts an text or a space or a punctuation inside double quote. Whatever you write inside the double quote, it will work. Right? This inside the double quote, whatever you write, it will work. Right? And also you can write this also in your note, like you can concatenate number, dates or result from other formulas the same way. And one more line you can write in your note as well, it is ideal for quick custom joins without memorizing function name. So that's the big thing, like no function name, nothing, just go with the flow and it will do its work. So that's the thing. And if I do like this, it will do the same for all. So let's write this kind of n percent full detail. Full detail, yeah, that's a good thing. Let's expand it and let's see, is it override? No, it's not overriding anything. So that's the full detail use of and percent, and you have seen it on a practical way. Now let's move to the second method, that is concat function, and it's a cleaner syntax for multiple element. Let me tell you that. So first of all, let's go to the theory part. Concat is an Excel function designed specially to join text from multiple cells or string. It's the modern replacement for the older concatenate function and also easier to use when combining many items. Why? Because you just list them separately by comma. That's it. Just separate it by comma. No need to write and. Let me write the syntax here. It will be easy for you to know. Same equal. Then we will write concat. We will write simple concat. Open parenthesis. The first cell number, simple. In place of and, what we will do in concat, just a comma, and we need space, so space, comma, and then second cell number. That's it, done. And if you want to add the, city name also, just comma, this space, then third cell number. Right? Easy and very sweet. And if you want to add a comma as well, After your name and city, you can just write comma and space. That's it. Very easy. Let's go to the practical part, and let's write here concat. Concat, it's better to write like this so that it will be easy for you to understand. Concat, that's it. Nothing rocket science, is very easy, let me tell you, but it is very much useful as an data analyst point of view, let me tell you that. So equal to concat, open parenthesis, the first name, simple, then a comma, then a quote, a space between the two names, comma, then B4, I mean the last name, then comma, then quote, space, and then the city name, right? Enter. But here, let me tell you what, I need a comma between them. How I will do it? Let's do it on the second cell. Concat, open parenthesis, first name, comma, then a quote sign, a space between the first and last name, then the second name, comma, then quote, and we need a comma between the name and the city. So comma will be there and also a space, because we need comma then a space then the city name, then it will be city, like that. Simple as that. Very easy. And see, as I did and as I told you, means name will be there, comma will be there, a space will be there, then city name will be there. Same for this as well. Very easy to use, and also very flexible. No need to like use this and all that thing. Just add concat within comma only, it will do your work. So let's write some notes, so like why to use concat and some additional things as well. First thing first, why do we use concat? We use concat because it is more structured than ampersand, and the comma separates the item in a clear syntax format. Also great for combining several cells and fixed text in one go. It can also handle more than two or three items easily without many ampersand. Let me tell you that. And if you want to write something related to interview point of view, like I would say, at this 2 point, like ampersand text element, like with ampersand, text elements such as spaces or comma must be in double quotes. Also, if cells are empty, concat will literally include them. Let me tell you, means empty cells are also included. So watch out. One thing, like if you want to skip the blanks. So this is a interview kind of question you might face during the interview point of view, means in interview point of view, because it is kind of trick question that most interviewers ask to the candidate, so that to know like is their concept clear or not. So right now, let's jump into the third method, that is text join function. So let's write equal to and okay this. So what is text join? Text join is the most powerful and flexible function out of this two, ampersand and concat. It lets you specify a delimiter, I mean a separator, once, and join the entire range or list of cells. Let me tell you that. We will do it in a practical way. Also, it has an option to ignore blank cell automatically. Let me tell you this also, and this can also be added to the interview point of view question. Like suppose interviewer asks you what is the difference between concat and text join, you can tell that like we have an option to ignore blank cell automatically in text join, but that function is not much specifically flexible in concat, right? And also text join makes your formula cleaner, easier to manage, especially for very big data sets. Let me tell you that. And what is the syntax for it? Let's write it. It is text join, simple text join, open parenthesis, quote sign, space, quote sign, comma, you have to write true, comma, then the cell range. Cell range. And how you will write the cell range? Like cell number to a cell number. It's like that. Means I am just writing it so that it is easy for you to understand. Cell number to cell number. It's like that. So let's go step by step. The first argument, the quote sign with a space, it is a delimiter. So here it's a space. We are telling Excel like this is a space between the quote. Now the second argument, which is true, it tells Excel to skip blank or empty cell. That's the thing. That's what the ignoring of blank cells come into picture with the help of this true argument. The third argument is the cell range. Range of cells to join is the cell range. And also if you want to add comma, you can also add here as well. We will look into this on a practical way. Let's jump into it. Text join, right? Text join and yeah, equal to text join, open parenthesis, simple. Oh, sorry. The first quote, we want to give a space between each and every cell. So it is like the space between each and every cell. That's what we are trying to say. So space we have given, then comma, then true, means ignore empty cell. You can see in the screen as well, ignore empty cell, then comma, then what we have to write? We have to write the cell range. Cell range means this. Either you can click here and drag here, or you can write from A4 to C4. It's your wish, right? Let me write it once again because this thing was coming. So text join space true. Then you have to write, either you can write like A4 to C4, A4 to C4 you can write, or you can just copy here, means click here and drag. See, Excel is already showing this cells, I mean the cell range, and enter. So what we have received? We have received Ravi, Kumar, Mumbai, and there is space between all the three. Suppose we want to have comma between the three cells, like first cell, comma, second cell, comma, third cell. You will write like this, text join, open parenthesis, quote sign, comma, because we need comma between them. Then we have to write true. Why true? If you want to ignore the empty cell, then write true or false. And then it will be like the cell range. So it is A5 to C5, right? Close parenthesis, enter. Now what do we see? Each and every cell, each and every data inside the cells are having a comma. Means the cell range is 3. We have included 3 cells. That is A5 cell like C5. And from A5 to C5, we have given comma as the first argument. So first cell, whatever in the first cell, doesn't matter. It is a text or it is a string or it's a number, sorry, text string, it's same, or it's a number or whatever it is. If it is a symbol, no worries for that. First cell will be written, comma will be given, second cell will be written, comma will be given, then the third cell. You can add anything. Text join, then inside quote you can add anything. Suppose dollar, you have added dollar, right? Then it is true. Then you have to write the cell range, or you can just copy here and drag. That's it. Close parenthesis, enter. See what we have received? Rohan dollar Patel dollar Bangalore, right? Suppose we want a space between the two. So this space and this space and enter. See, space between the two means inside the quote whatever is there, it will just put, or I would say it will just apply between the cells. That's it. Like we have given space before and after dollar sign, so there is space between before and after dollar sign between the two cell. Like Rohan is A6 Patel is B6 and Bangalore is C6. So that's the use of text join. And let's write some notes. And related to the notes, I would say text join is best for joining multiple cells or long list quickly without typing each cell reference. Like you have seen, we have just dragged from here to here. That's it. Also great for data with possible gaps where you don't want extra separator due to blanks, right? It is cleaner, shorter, and most efficient formula if you are working on an advanced Excel user, or if you are a data analyst who is using advanced Excel. That's the thing. And last but not the least, I want to give you some final tips for the three functions like ampersand, concat, and join. So ampersand, when you to use it, use for quick, and it is very flexible for small formula. When to use concat when you prefer a cleaner function based syntax for joining multiple items. When to use text join for large database or data set. Sorry, not database, data set. You can skip blanks. And when working with ranges, you can use this when working with ranges. Ranges matlab this range, like A to C ka range, like that. So that is the use of all this three function, and this comes in joining text part. So thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you master the essential way to join text in Excel using the ampersand, concat, and text join function. These techniques are great for cleaning up your data, creating reports, or preparing mailing list quickly and efficiently. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel with the bell icon for notification, and for more practical Excel tips and tricks, don't forget to comment, or I would say you can write the topic name so that I can make a video on that topic name in upcoming future, or I would say the next video. So that's all about it. Thank you for watching my video. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy learning, and let's meet again in a new Excel tips and tricks. And don't forget to watch the project which is at the end of the Excel playlist. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding.